Hey there, this is PurpleSuede22, head of community at OrdinalsBot, and I've got another walkthrough video for y'all today. What we're going to be looking at is inscribing parent-child inscriptions. These are super helpful if you'd like to associate a new ordinal with an older ordinal. In my particular case, what we're going to look at for today's video, I have a Node Rock PFP, and my friends at the Billy Dollar Cat Runes project actually Billified my PFP for me, the little cat glasses on it, and so I wanted to make that into a child inscription that's associated with the original inscription. And so I tried that out and it worked great, and so I'm going to do a video basically doing the same thing with another version of that same PFP. So we're here on OrdinalsBot.com. We're on the Inscribe tab. What we're going to do first is connect our wallet. We've got a bunch of different wallet options here. I'll be going for X first today. Click on connect, sign that message, and then your wallet will populate up top along with your points balance. I actually recently did a delegate file inscription walkthrough. If you'd like to check that out, you can look at our walkthrough playlist on YouTube. Today we're just going to keep this tab on file, and then we're going to check that parent-child box right down there at the bottom. Okay, so what we're going to do is upload the child file here. You can click or drag that file. Here it is for me, this little Billified Node Rock, like I said. We're gonna let that upload. Nice, it's 27 kilobytes, so I think we can save a little bit of space on this. We're just gonna optimize it real quick by clicking this button. You can choose to do this as you like. Optimizing it does save you a good bit of size and cost thereby, so we save 79% of the file size, which is awesome. If you'd like to upload any metadata, you can do that with a JSON file here. No need to imply a compression. This is a particular type of text-based compression, so no worries there since this is a parent-child. That box is checked, like I said. And the next big thing we're going to look at is the parent inscription ID. So this is going to be the inscription ID of the original ordinal that you want to associate this child file with. An easy way to find that, you can go to ordinals.com, paste in your address that holds the particular ordinal that you would like to inscribe a child to, and then copy that ID right here, and then paste that into the box there. All right, as a part of the inscription process for parent-child, we'll actually send the parent ordinal to OrdinalsBot so that they can actually inscribe the child file. So the parent return address describes the address that you would like to receive that parent ordinal back to. Since we connected our wallet at the beginning of this walkthrough, that's already filled in. And likewise with the receive address, this is referring to the child inscription. And again, if you'd like to change that address and not have it be your connected address, that's fine. You can click change, just put any Taproot address in there, and then that's where the child inscription will go. The next part that we'll look at is the fee. Obviously, I just leave this on normal because it's affordable, and then it's usually pretty fast within about 30 minutes or 1 Bitcoin block. If you'd like to save yourself some money, you can do economy or you can go custom. I just leave it on normal because that's easy. All right, then we've got a breakdown of the cost right down here. So it's going to cost about $8.99. And this fee, as you saw the screen flash a little bit there, it updates in real time based on the actual gas fees that it costs to inscribe the file. So what we're going to do next is click on submit and pay invoice. Now, OrdinalsBot has 3 different ways to pay, which I really appreciate. A lot of the times I pay with my connected wallet. That's slow because we have to wait on the Bitcoin block to confirm the payment before we actually move on to the next step. Similarly with on-chain Bitcoin, you can just scan this QR code or send the Bitcoin down here at the bottom to that address, and that works, but you still actually have to wait for the Bitcoin block to confirm. Today, I'm actually going to show y'all what it looks like to pay with Lightning. So I've got my Strike wallet set up here. It's the way that I use Lightning. You can use any type of Lightning wallet that you have funded. Maybe I'll do a walkthrough video on how to fund a Lightning network for payments down the road, but got my Bitcoin loaded up. And so what I'm going to do is scan this QR code with my phone here. So I'm going to scan that. Boom. All right, scanned. All the information, the exact amount of Bitcoin down here at the bottom has already been pre-filled in, which is really nice about this QR. We're gonna hit confirm. Boom, and it loaded on my app. It just sent, and boom, there it is. It confirmed pretty much instantly. So if you're a speed maxi and you've got an inscription that you want to get done fast, Lightning Network is a really fast and easy way to get it done. So that's really cool. All the information that we filled in, the receive address is here at the top. We're gonna wait for the parent-child transfer. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, parent inscription has to be sent to the following address in order to continue processing the order, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this address here, the deposit address for the parent, and then I'm going to go into my wallet and I'm going to transfer that ordinal directly there. So what we're going to do is click on X first. I'm going to go to collectibles, and then the Node Rock is here. Okay, and so I want to do this one right here. This is the one that I wanted to transfer. Click on send, paste that address in there. Okay, and then hit next. All right, we're confirming this is the inscription we're sending. Breaks everything down for you, tells you the cost. Dope, that's good to go. And then we're gonna hit confirm. Boom, that is broadcasted. Okay, so now that that's done, you're going to you can keep track of this order by copying the order info up here. If you'd like to just leave this window open, you can do that, and it will update as they receive the parent inscription with, we've received it and now we're inscribing the file, and it'll tell you once it's processing, once the child has been sent, and then once the parent has been sent as well. So I'm gonna show you how you can check this order if you close out of that particular screen. So what you do is you go go up to your wallet address, you click on account, and then you can go through orders, and then you can paste that order ID in there and click on get order info. Now this is where you're gonna wanna watch, right? It'll update everything here and it'll give any instructions if there's anything else to do, but with parent-child, again, you just have to wait for the inscription to get there, and then the order will update with, we've received your inscription, we're inscribing the child, we're sending the child to your address, and then finally, once all that's done, then they'll send the parent inscription back to the address that you sent. Now, if you know anything about Bitcoin, you know that what I just said is gonna take multiple steps. Okay, Bitcoin blocks take about 10 minutes on average to confirm. So each one of these steps probably will take 10 minutes each. So if you're a speed maxi, like we talked about earlier, and you paid with your Lightning, you might be sitting here tapping your fingers waiting on this to confirm. I would recommend, if you've got that order ID, you're all good to go. Your order is also tied to your address. So if you log in and you go back to that account, even if you don't have the order ID, it shows your latest up here at the top. You can see, click on that, and then it opens the exact order that we were just dealing with. So that's a quick look at how to inscribe a parent and child file on OrdinalsBot. It's super easy, super quick, handle all of the technical difficulties in the back. If you're watching this walkthrough on X, do make sure and check out our YouTube profile. I've compiled all of my weekly update videos as well as a walkthrough playlist just for you guys. This is one of the last major functions on OrdinalsBot that I've covered so far, but you know, we're always rolling stuff out for OrdinalsBot, and there's going to be lots more content. So make sure and give us a subscribe on YouTube, follow us on X for more content like this, and I will see you in the next walkthrough video. Thanks y'all. This is Purple Sway 22, head of community. I'll see y'all on Discord. Cheers.